Okay, so this is a shelter in sport complex next to Gainesville. We've never been here before. This is our first experience. So just want to share what it looked like. Okay, there is a line for dinner. They serving some food, but like snacks, mostly like bread. But now it's a long line. I'm gonna show you where it goes, and that serves like dinner food. So I think it's pretty safe facility for Hurricane Milton, and this is our food place, and there are other people who didn't fit over there, so they moved right here, and this is some food. Okay, some hot tea and coffee, water, some snacks. So this is the news, of course. This is the entrance. Some puzzles to do something. Little free library, and over there it's for pets. Oh, kitty, little kitty! I see a kitty. Look at the kitty, beautiful. little kitty. Okay, here we go. So this is the entrance. You can see. It's not that bad.
He's over at EOC now, I think. He's about to leave.
So it was raining really bad. Now it's nothing. Thank you, shelter.